could see in here with this GoPro, you see how the rain basically flooded out the shelter from the top down. It does look like there was a fallen tree. Obviously there's been some damage in the area. But yeah, Cosby Knob Shelter has had some damage, but there is pizza here. Alright guys, as you can see, the Cosby Knob Shelter is leaking, but we are leaving. In a few minutes we'll be on our way, heading into Davenport Gap. Streams are flowing. They are flowing today. Whoa. Major rainstorm last night. All right. Low Gap Trail, Appalachian Trail, Mount Camera Trail 2.1. Feels like it's just never-ending climb to Mount Camera. Camera. I imagine it's that one. It could be that one. Alright, so it looks like that's the Mount Camera Trail. Doesn't look like there's much of a view today. So I think we're gonna opt out of that. On the AT, baby. Oh, here it is, Davenport Gap. 2.9 miles, man. That's out of the park. We're just on Mount Camera. 3.3 miles that way. How you feeling?
Good.
Hey, little hug. Give it a hug. There you go. The tree hug works. Going north to south looks very appealing. We're on the final mile, exiting the Smokies, or the Great Smokies. And if it was up to me, I would say, hey, let's go north to south, because it seems like a very casual introduction. If you go Fontana, it's going to be in your face for a couple days, and it's going to continue. This is on the homeward stretch, and this is a really nice little last few steps. But again, if it was up to me, I said I'd probably do it north to south, just because it seems like it's a little bit more of a nice introduction to the Great Smoky Mountains. You see what I see? Yeah. It looks like a road.
You suppose this is where we drop our permits?
I bet it is.
Probably, right?
Oh, guess what?
Uh-oh. There's a ball.
It's a magic moment. It's coming up. I see the box. We're gonna let the camera keep rolling on this one. This is action packed. This is the final steps. We have completed the Great Smoky Mountains National Park, Appalachian Trail. Right here it says AT through hikers. Deposit permits here.
Sure we want to leave?
Yeah.
Had a nice
We've
little
only
spot.
been here for 5 days. We get 8. Let's just camp here for 3 more.
There you go.
There he goes. Wow.
All right, so here it is, guys. It is the remnants of my through hiker permit being deposited here at Davenport Gap. It has been fun, but that was challenging. Be prepared. Signs, signs everywhere with signs.
Did you kill this film?
Do this, don't do that.
Can't you read the sign?
Ah. No, I did not kill that bear.
Look at that, newfound gap, 31.4. Isn't that crazy just to look at a sign like that and say, you were just there? Remember?
Wait, what?
Right here, you were there, remember?
That was 31
Oh,
miles.
yeah, I was.
You were
That
hanging
was
out.
31 miles ago?
That was yesterday.
That's what I'm saying, dude.
Oh
We're in
my
this like
goodness.
completely.
We moved yesterday.
Wow. Okay. Yeah.
Dang.
Going to the Pigeon River. Yeah. Georgia, 239 miles away.
Dang.
That's great, guys. You should get a picture next to that. What do you guys think? Mount Katahdin, 1953 is past the two.
Wow,
Also
another
a good year.
Yeah. Oh, okay. Little power line action. Thought I heard a waterfall. Look at that. Sweet. Right off the trail too, guys. Whoa. Nice. One, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So the word is out. There's gonna be trail magic tonight. My buddy Atypical Hiker is gonna show up at Standing Bear with pizza and chips and cokes and all kinds of great things that hikers like. But thank you, Atypical Hiker, for the trail magic. You have come through. I owe you one. Talking about. That's great, yeah. What's that?
I might get special treatment. If that's what I think it is.
What is it?
Looks like an angel flower. Oh yeah, that's always right here.
Uh-huh.
Exactly what it is.
Nice.
Tomorrow, and just 3 new pairs of boots.
Oh no.
There's Red Wings.
Springer Mountain, 241.5 miles. Oh my goodness.